Hi, I'm coming to you from Formnext 2022. My name is Bradley Korn, Innovatic, a part of the Arberg Additive Group. Let me show you what we have in store. So we have the TiQ2. It's an industrial filament 3D printer specialized for fiber reinforced materials. It has a tungsten copper nozzle that's very good for abrasive materials and for the fiber reinforced filaments that we are targeting with this machine. We can track the filament to identify any sort of clog issues, and we can also do a dynamic change of the speed, either slowing it down to correct for slicing errors or speeding it up for maybe a conservative slicing operator. With the TiQ2, we offer a very stable, robust platform that lives up to the Arberg standard for machine build and quality that you can see in your production facility standing next to the injection molding machines. The TiQ2 should offer a customer the opportunity to in-house some of the prototyping that they are outsourced 3D printing that they were currently doing. It gives them an alternative for jigs and fixtures to get that 3D printed instead of milled or turned. And for end-of-arm tooling for robots to get your injection molding processes up and running quickly. Here we have the LIQ5. It's for printing liquid materials. Our standard material is an LSR from the injection molding branch. We've added a 80-degree build chamber temperature. It allows you for more consistent processes and easier startup on your new geometries. Additionally to the build chamber temperature, we have a additive slot so you can do things like pigment. Here we're doing the Arberg green, and it allows you to meet your application's requirements more easily. Here we have the TiQ5. It's a higher temperature filament 3D printer with an integrated dryer that allows you to have more consistent processing of your filaments, less stringing. It also has a vacuum build plate. This allows you to remove your parts easily. So we'll have that available in 2023 for you.